Hello mga Bea, day in the life as a grown-up girl. So mag-jogging ako mamaya kaya ganito outfit ko. Tapos maghanda lang ang pagkain. Akala ko dito magluluto be. Dito lang pala, kailangan mo pindutin tong tablet para makapagluto ka. Nagluluto ako ng healthy food kasi mag-jogging, di ba? And then we have a food. Tapos magluluto. Ano pa ako? I want a food cup. So, kukuha tayo ng ingredients. May vegetable tayo. Vegetable. And then, rice. Ingredient to prepare potato. Tapos chopping board. Sprouts. And then place. May ano siya, construction. Ayan o. Place the carrot onto the chopping board. Press the tray into the oven. Still cooking. So while it's cooking, let's clean the house. Kasi maya-maya, magjo-jogging na ako. So let's do something. Let's wash clothes. While I'm waiting for it, let's go. How to pick up. There we go. At magsasampay na rin tayo. At magtatakbo na rin tayo. Finish. Mexico man. Marami dapat pindating natin. Vegetable. And flour and sugar. And baby food. Rice. Tapos
papi.
So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.